Hello budget family, thank you so much for joining me for another video. I greatly appreciate it. But if you are new here, hi, my name is Kendra. I am a zero-based cash budgeter. I budget on a monthly and a weekly basis. I budget every single week because I get paid every single Thursday. So in today's video, I am budgeting for the fourth paycheck for the month of January. So if that sounds like something that you may be interested in, stay tuned. Alright budget family, first things first, I want to go ahead and open this Happy Mail. This comes from Izzy Budgets. I got this off of an Instagram live that she was doing, so I got these on sale while she was hosting an Instagram live. So I want to go ahead and open this up. I actually forgot what I brought. I know I brought a binder and some envelopes, but I don't know, did I buy another binder? I don't think so. I think I was trying to hold back from buying another binder, but I think it was just a binder and envelopes. But I feel like it was one other. Yeah, I did buy two binders. Oh my goodness. All right, let's see. I am a sucker for glitter, you guys. A sucker for glitter. All right, let's see what goodies she got in here. All right, it says thank you, and it has her website, izzybudgets.com, and this is a savings challenge, and it saves $150. So freaking cute. I'm definitely going to use this. I love it. It says, thank you, Kendra. Your trust in us is our most precious assets. We can't thank you enough. You just made our business grow, and for that we are grateful. We couldn't do it without you. And then 1K savings challenge. Okay, I'm gonna do this one as well. And then I ordered two what are these called? Two acrylic binders and some black envelopes. Yes, I forgot I ordered the pink one. All I could think about was this black binder, y'all. This black binder went crazy. And it was only $12. She had it on, it was $12. She had it on sale. So everything during the live sale was discounted. Super cute. These are my first acrylic binders. Super cute. I feel like let me see, is it over here? Let me see. I want to see how, you know what, I'm not even going to struggle opening these rings right now, but this is so cute, you guys. Let me see if I can turn down the resolution. So I feel like it's been bright anyway. I try to turn it down a little bit, but super cute. The quality feels really good. Oh, it keeps like sticking together. Usually it'll come with like I've seen others come with plastic on it, but I don't see this one. This one doesn't look like it has plastic. So I have this one and this pink one I just had to get. Cute. I don't know if I like the gold rings with it. It probably would have looked better with silver, but I don't know. I love the pink. Super cute. I love it. Okay, now the envelopes. Y'all, I was stepped out on the live at one point, and then as I was going back in, they were finishing up with these, and I hurried up and grabbed it. I was like, oh, I want the black set. So it's a set of 5. I'm so glad that I was able to catch it before they skipped past it. And it's a set of 5 black tab envelopes. Oh my gosh, so cute. My first set of black envelopes. These are so cute. And these were only, I think I paid $5 for these, y'all. $5 for a set of 5. So freaking cute. And then I can just put my own labels on here. So cute. I can use it in this black binder, do it all black. I could use it in here, which I don't think I would. I might do it all black, y'all. All black. That would be so freaking cute. And then I don't know what color I would make the labels. But that is cute. Super happy with my order, y'all. All right, I'm just gonna sit this up here. Oops. Okay. All right, y'all. So let's go ahead and get into the budget. So we are on week 4, and I have all my numbers written down that I need to stuff. I do get a bonus paycheck week 5, so a 5th paycheck for the month of January. And so I do need to stuff one more time for my mortgage, and I need to stuff one more time for electric. Yeah, my daughter be so loud. She was just loud. I thought something was wrong. I had to be quiet for a second. All right, so after this week, the only thing for my bills is my mortgage and my electric, and then everything else should be fully stuffed. And once I fully stuff my bills next week, which is left, whatever's left, the rest of the money will be mine to do whatever. And of course, I'm going to put it towards savings. But anyway, for this week, we're doing January paycheck number 4's budget. And let's just go ahead and hop right into it. So I got paid. How much did I get paid, y'all? I don't know. I thought I had it. Okay, hold up. 862. I kept forgetting, so I had to write it down. So income, $862, and that is exactly what I got paid this week. So I did not do like a pre-paycheck budget or anything. All right, so then we're gonna go ahead and list out my bills. Bills is mortgage, phone, car insurance, electric, water, and sewer, electric, water, sewer, gas, and internet. All right, and so for my mortgage, I am budgeting $325. For my phone, $20. Car insurance, $27. Electric is $33. Water is getting $0 this week. Awesome. Sewer is getting $10. Gas is getting $32. And internet is getting $15. All right, so let's go ahead and total these numbers up. Yeah, I like using my highlighters to just give it a little color, a little razzle dazzle, you know, make it look a little cute. All right, so where is my calculator? Okay, so we have 325 plus 20, 27, 33, 10, 32, and 15. 462. 462. And then my remaining balance is, so we're doing 862 minus 462 gives me 400. 400. All right, and then we're doing my variable expenses. And that is gym, Netflix, Canva, Acorns, takeout, groceries, gas, and miscellaneous, y'all. Alright, so gym is fully stuffed. It's not getting anything. Netflix is getting 17, so paying for Netflix this week. Canva is already fully stuffed. Acorns, let me see what we at. Acorns is already fully stuffed. And then I have my weekly spend wallet, which is takeout, getting 55. Groceries is getting 75. Gas is getting 25. And miscellaneous is getting 32. Already filled up my tank. I budgeted 25 for gas last week, and I needed to use the 25, but instead of just putting 25, I went ahead and filled it up, so it came to 43. So I'm gonna take whatever I need to take from this 25, and then the rest will go towards my mortgage principal after I empty out my envelopes. Yes, Bean. Yes, Bean. Oh my goodness. Alright, y'all. So we got my numbers, and then we're going to total these numbers up. Alright, you guys. I keep trying to add up my numbers, and I keep getting distracted. So I have 17 plus 55, 75, 25, and 32. So $204. My son is looking for my daughter, y'all. So y'all gonna hear him calling her. So we have 400 minus 204 equals 196. So now the remaining will go towards debt and or savings. Alright, so for debt and savings, we're going to use purple. Alright, so I don't really have debt, so we're going to be doing savings, which is, I guess debt would be my mortgage. So I'm just going to put extra payment, which is $50. So subtract 50. So we have $146 to put towards, I think I'm just going to skip sinking funds this week and just do straight savings challenges, and then whatever I complete, I can put towards sinking funds or my debt payment. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to do savings challenges. So that's my zero base budget, y'all. Alright, so now I just need to figure out how much I'm going to put towards what savings challenges. I know I need $22 for my 12 round knockout, and then I need to put towards my daughter's birthday, my roll and save, and my 2025. But yep, that is it, you guys. That's it for this video. I'm sorry for the noise in the background if you guys can hear that. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and count this cash. I did get paid $862. This is paycheck number 4 for the month of January. So let's count and make sure it's all here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 350, 400, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 86, 20, 40, 60, 87, 700, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 810, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 850, 851, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60, 61, 62. So yes, $862, you guys, is all here. So let's go ahead and get into the bills binder first. All right, y'all. I feel like I haven't done this in so long. This cash stuffing is long overdue. I'm already almost into week 5 because this is a magic month for me. So it's Monday already. It's actually Monday night. And not sure when this video will go up. Probably Wednesday. But yeah, I get paid Thursday, paycheck number 5. So I am late doing this cash stuffing, but let's just go ahead and get it out the way. Oh, first I need my denominations. All right. Oh man, I'm so frustrated right now. Alright, I have my denominations. Okay, so mortgage is getting $325. So 300, a 20, and a 5. 1, 2, 3, 25. And I do need one more stuffing. I gotta use my magic month or my 5th paycheck to fully fund this envelope or fully fund mortgage. Utilities is getting 75, so 50, 20, and a 5. So 50, 75. Awesome. This should be fully funded. Alright, phone is getting 20. Phone should be fully funded. Car insurance is getting 27. 20, a 5, and 2 ones, so 25, 6, 7. Everything should be fully funded except for mortgage and I think like gas or something. Subscriptions, Netflix is getting a 10, a 5, and 2 ones, so 10, 15, 16, 17. Gym is fully funded. Internet is getting 15, a 10, and a 5, so 15. internet should be fully funded. And then high yield is fully funded and no investing yet. So that is it for no. Extra 50 for the mortgage principal. So that's just $50 right here. Awesome. So that is it for that. Now let's get into my wallet. My weekly spend wallet is getting 55 for takeout. So we're getting a 20, 3 10s, and a 5, y'all. It's not late, but I want to hurry up and get this done so that I can edit and upload a video and schedule it for tomorrow. So I'm trying to hurry up because I know editing is going to take longer than what I think. So I'm just like, let me hurry up and get this done and over with. All right, so we have 20, 30, 40, 55 for takeout. All right, groceries is getting 75, which is 3 20s, a 10, and a 5. So 20, 30, 20, 40, 60, 75. 75 for groceries. All right, gas is not getting anything. I have a little over half a tank of gas, so that should last me till next week because I don't plan on doing too much driving. Miscellaneous is getting 32, which is 3 10s and 2 1s. So 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. Awesome. And then dining out is not getting anything. All right, so that is it for the wallet. And then what is left over is savings challenges. So I did not budget anything for sinking funds. So this should be $146 for savings challenges. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 50, 60. Oh, what did I miss? Mortgage, phone, car insurance, takeout, miscellaneous, principal. I thought I budgeted gas. I thought I took the money out for gas. Maybe not. 25. So I think I thought I took the money out for gas, but because I didn't stuff gas yet. So this is actually going to, how did I do that then? Okay, so this goes towards debt. Yes, I thought I already put the money towards debt. I can't even explain it, y'all, but that goes towards debt. All right, so let's count this again. It should be $146. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 30, 40, 41, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, $146, and this is going towards sinking funds. So I'm going to put it, oh my goodness, I don't have my sinking funds binder. Okay, I was going to say I could stuff my sinking funds right now, but the roll and save is what takes up the most time. I could go ahead and stuff my other savings challenges, but I'm just going to wait and do my savings challenges in a separate video. But this is 140, how much did I say? 146 going towards my savings challenges, and then with my roll and save, whatever I complete, I'm going to put some towards sinking funds. So that is it, you guys, for this video. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.